Right guys, still edge shed, still working, still doing Louvre. As you can see, I've cut them. Now, I've cleaned them up. There's so much tar on the back there, which is really giving me a hard time to get that edge. I just wish I bought one as an electric one. Which is like it. So, make good what you've got. So, that's the gist of it. So you see what I'm doing? Well, you sort of see the gist of what I'm doing. I'm getting too hot at the minute, man. Melting like here. It's just started to rain, but it's not any cooler. Anyway, we're back. Another few. Hot work. That's hot thirsty work. It's not an easy job, trust me guys. Right, so let's have a quick look, shall we? What we've actually achieved. Okay. Yep, he's not sitting down here. That's what I was thinking. He's not going down here because he's actually oversized, which is what I wanted. Couldn't make that up, could you? So that's going to tidy up. Go in. Nice, mate. And his mate's going to tidy up. Go in. Slightly oversized so I can grind them down. I can grind the Louvre down to fit into the recess. Obviously I made the recess slightly bigger than I wanted. I'll just sort out the corners, which is a bit of a masterful technique, but I probably won't show you that. Let's see, we'll see. But a minute, taking you off, can you over here, just show you what I did. Right, so we lined it up, double blah, kneecap hill. I can't blast there because it's raining, so I've cut the holes out. Drilled it up. These need cleaning out. This needs bare mataling on the back, as you can see. Then they'll drop in. I've grinded to fit. That's the two louvres. I've got all that ground off, but I think I might try and fill them from the back. Turn it the other way. And we'll see. We'll see. Obviously today has been a bit of a, like I don't know, a bit of a day when we haven't really done a great deal. I don't think anyway. So we've got the doors welded up, got the bonnet holes, louvres holes cut. Yeah, to just keep going now. Just keep going. And we'll get them in. I'll have to have a little bit of smear of cacalarthus in it. And for all intents and purposes, you got Louvre and bonnet. For nothing. That's on my list. I don't know whether to do that now. I don't know. I might do it. We'll see how I feel. If I do, I'll video it. If I don't, well then, you won't see it. But I'm thinking I'll let that. I think give it a good clean up, grind it, I'm going to let it. So we'll see. Well, next time you see it, it'll either have lead in it or it won't be done. So, hello. Right, guys, so this can come in to the last part of that video. That is still, I've cleaned it, but I'm sick of it. Now, Friday, and I've done that. These have got to be shot blasted still, so I can't really do anything. But I've had to sort of dolly the corners around, because I can't make that thing around corners. And I've rounded the corners off there. So they fit alright. Well, that one's obviously out of my way, so I got to the bottom of that. But I'm tempted to say I need to do something that's interesting me. So that has been quite an entertainment. And obviously for all you enthusiasts, that's how you put louvres in your bonnet if you haven't got, well, that's how I put louvres in my bonnet when I haven't got a louvre machine. And I haven't, so that's it. So the bonnet's got filler in it anyway. I mean, I can't believe how much filler there is in the bonnet. So I think we're not going to be trying too hard, but we're going to get them in. So that's sorted out. And then what else? What else we got to do? Obviously the holes down the side are all cleaned up. But I don't know whether to weld them from the inside or the outside. I think I'll have a test. I need to clean the paint out from anyway, so I think I'll have a test for one from the outside, one from the inside, to see what happens. So yeah, quite a long day, but I mean it's just amazing what you know. All right, got the holes on the doors welded up, but and I got them cut out. But you know, on your own, mate, it does take time. So as I said, I'm gonna keep on. Gotta keep moving. I've got paint now, so I am going to move for painting. I'm romancing and get it painted grey under there. Now, obviously, if I get it grey under there and the doors get clean on the inside edges, I can maybe either grey them or not. I don't know. I really don't know yet, guys. I don't know what to do. I haven't decided. Still got too many other things to think about with it at the moment, so we just got to try and get it back down its wheels and get it out of here, really. Obviously, if I get that looking reasonably nice, as I think it does at the moment, then yeah, alright, we got louvres. I'm going to put two sort of sharp grills in here off XK, I don't know. Nah, because they just get all the water out. And you get it in your footwells, and you'll drill holes in the bottom of the sill, let the water out. Yeah, no, that's not. Alright, if I find some, maybe. Everything else is pretty much as you say. She's just coming on. She's getting there slowly. Anyway, we'll see how we get on with the finishing of that, and we'll see how we get on with the finishing of our headlight, side light delete, and obviously we'll see whether we get anything else done this weekend. I don't know. It's not much of a weekend, is it? It's Friday already, and Friday. I've got no alcohol. Obviously, in the great scheme of things, you can see that we're been embarking on some very interesting little mods on this thing. So, full of dust, welding, and lead. Ooh, horrible stuff. Anyway, guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for just, whatever. And as I say, guys, let's hope it's successful. If not, I'll ruin the bonnet. We'll let you know. No doubt, the finished article. See what it looks like. I've still got 2 louvres left, so you never know. Anyway, that'll be another job, another day. Bye for now.